Morning, Dave.
Hi, Pete.
Day one then.
Yes, first walk.
Ilfracombe to
Combe Martin.
Should be good. Not too sure how this is going to go today, are you?
No, I'm a little bit nervous about my hamstring.
Not too sure the cooked breakfast is a good idea. Looking at going up there, here.
Fine.
Think of it so far, Dave.
It's exhilarating. Wonderful to be out in the beautiful autumn sunshine. What's that?
Getting there.
Yeah.
Not far off the top now. Let's get a breath back then. Hey there, little Dave. Can't see a goddamn thing even with the sunglasses on. Yeah, a bit.
Nice affair.
It's still, isn't it?
Yeah.
Onward we go.
Yep.
That was a bunker of some description.
I think it's just like that seating. Yeah, is that the way to London? Let's see what's up here then. Oh wow, that's a lovely view.
That boat's meant to, isn't it?
Yeah.
A glorious now.
Beautiful.
Go back to that. Look there, look. There's one up there.
Are you recording your arm?
I'm not recording us. Well, you, predominantly.
You're not going to send it to my physio, are you? Of evidence of not using the walking poles.
Oh, yeah. The only one problem with going up, isn't there? Well, you've got to go down again and then back up. Yeah, the way I like to see you. Quicker the better. Oops, careful.
Going up. Really? Yeah, it's private that one.
It is warm, yeah. What have you spotted, David? Sounds like you this morning. You're alright. Keep tripping with the willies. Let's have a bit of
We've got a bit of a climb up there, Pete.
yeah, possibly. Oh yeah. That was quite a steep ascent. Look at it. On the bench.
All the way into the bay, I think.
Just a perspective.
Pardon?
Feels like it just drops off the edge of a cliff. Actually, these steps that are smaller, they're a lot easier, aren't they? The long wide ones really do play havoc with your quads. Look at that there. Glorious.
I'm down safe, Pete.
Thank goodness.
Don't worry. You know, you just say, oh yeah, we're losing fit and this and that. But our walking time is still about the same pace as they've ever been.
Yeah.
Which I think we're doing quite well, because you're nearly 60.
I know. I can't believe how quick you can go for 75. To be honest. We're talking about kilos.
No, because I'm more than that. About 85. Oh, I didn't bring the National Trust.
Watermere Castle.
Country or something like that. People said it's like Thailand.
David.
Hi, Pete. Hi, Pete.
Made it to Combe Martin.
Yeah.
What we're going to do now?
I think we might need to get refreshment.
What kind of refreshment are you thinking?
I'm quite thirsty, so it'll be liquid refreshment.
Yes. Let's go and have a look, shall we?
Let me go through that time.
Yeah, I believe it was. Got it. You're going to have to stop saying morning, Dave. It's afternoon.